All right, just got this box of 25 SuperPretzels, and I'm super excited to eat them, but I forgot the instructions. I started getting it ready, but let's see. I forgot how long I cook them for. So for the microwave, let's see. Place it on a microwavable plate. Yeah, I did that. If desired, moisten pretzel, a small amount of water. Did that. Sprinkle with salt per pretzel. I did that. Note, do not use entire salt pack if not heating entire box of pretzels. Well, now you tell me. I thought you were supposed to use for every pretzel. Package contains pretzel salt. Not anymore. Well, I don't know. I'm sure it'll still be fine. How was that supposed to go for? 30 seconds? I'm sure it'll be fine. It's not that much more salt than you'd usually use. Pretzel goodness.